guys, hi. So now I'm about to put some makeup on because I need to tape a video. And yeah, ooh, I had curls earlier today, but they gone. Okay, we ain't worried about that. It's hot out there. I sweated everything. Okay, so got this in from IMethod. Shout out to IMethod Beauty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to IMethod Beauty. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Okay. If I have any links and discount codes, y'all know everything is in the description box below. So let's open this on up. And it's going to help me do my eyebrows. Y'all see that? Okay. So let's get ready. Let's go ahead and do one. And then we'll come back and do like a before and after so you can kind of see what that looks like. Okay. All right. So let's unbox this, get this all opened up. Okay. All right, so this is from, oh god, I had the right person. This is from IMethod, and comes with all of these goodies. Okay, and stencils, pomade, sponge brush, dual spoolie, and the angled brow brush. Angled brow brush. Angled brow brush. Okay. It's been a day, y'all. I'm just saying. So let's pull it out. Oh, they got this gold right there. Look at that. Define yourself. You better speak, y'all. Look at this, y'all. I got a bag. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a bag, and it's got a zipper on it. Ooh, this is like a dress pocket. They done messed up. They messed up now. All right, so here's your pomade, and this is the color that they sent me. Oh, nice. That's nice. Okay. You want your eyebrows to be a little darker. Okay. And then I got the spoolie and the brush. This is the sponge brush. Okay. All right, you have two sets of these stencils, so that's that right there. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and take these apart, open them out, and get the stencils. And it looks like the stencils are numbered, so that's good. So there's this goes in here. Sorry guys, yeah, this goes in here. So they come like that. So the stencils are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are the numbers of the stencils. So I'm gonna use 1 and 4. Let's see if we can do 1 and 4. So you're trying to, I guess you're trying to see all the different stencils. You can kind of see which ones fit best for you. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and take my brush here and comb my little booties up. All right, comb my little booties up with the spoolie. It's a nice spoolie, by the way, too. Like that. And then this is my pomade, and this is the applicator. Okay, so we're gonna just that. Okay. Let's see how this works. Girl, y'all know I can't see. Yeah, it's a better way. It's a better way. Okay. And you just go like that. Okay. We're just gonna keep filling in until we get a brow going. Okay, what does that look like? Okay. Keep going. Keep going, sis. Keep going. Okay. Just dapping it in, dapping it in. In. Y'all see my stuff on my brush. Dapping it in. Dapping it in. Okay. I dropped the thing. Look at that. Look, that's nice. Then we're just gonna look at that. Nice. That's the after, and that's the before. See? And that's the after. Nice. Not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. All right. IMethod Beauty. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah, let's put some makeup on. I'm just saying. All right, got some makeup on, so I just gonna line it up here. Go here. All right. Just keep patting until I get it the way I want it. All right, so it's coming in. See, it's coming in, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, I feel like this one is thinner than the other one. Why? I don't know. You know, because you know eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. So okay. All right, you can always do that on the outside, and then here's my spoolie right here. Nice. Okay, cool. What y'all think? Nice. There you go. Perfect brows. All right, nice. Hi guys, it's SYNOLVE and Milton, and we're here for another video. I'm actually going to be unboxing this Milton Everblade. Actually, hubby's going to do it. I'm here with Chef Milton, and he is going to be chopping some things, sharing some things, and show you just how well this works. So, and we'll give you our first impression. So, Chef Milton, take it away. As Chef Milton is sharing here, the Milton Everblade self-sharpening knife comes with this amazing, beautiful blade and this block, which is a stand, a protective stand and sheath to be able to sit on your countertop. Milton has given his nod of approval, so this knife is definitely chef worthy.
All right, I'm gonna cut this pretty potato with this Everblade knife. So check it out. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. Real nice. Real light. Look how it cuts. Let me slide over a little bit. Just glazes through there like that. No pressure. No pressure. So thin slice. Keep the tip of the blade down on the table so you don't cut your pretty fingers. And then just slice. You can take it. Cut these how you want them. These are a little brown around the ends, so I'll cut the ends off. Some people like that. And then you just dice them. Dice them however, whatever size you want. Okay? Whatever size you desire. Big, little, whatever you like. Okay? So with this last one, I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're going to cut this one different. We're going to cut it this way. Make them a little bigger. Just to see what that looks like. And you cut them a little bigger. And then cube it in half. So you have two halves. You can do it that way too. It cuts really well. Even the tip is pretty good. You can cut with the tip. And you can cut with the big part of the blade. And there you have it. Take these out. You got onions and potatoes. We get ready to fry them up. So check us out in a few minutes.
All right, so here's the fried potatoes that hubby did. Oh my God, that is so yum. Oh my goodness. And this is the bread for my hoagie. Hubby knows he loves me so. It's already got my olive oil on it. So, and this is his hoagie, which has the hamburger meat. And those are the veggies that I was talking about that hubby did the other day. See, it's got the asparagus in it. So I'm going to eat my hoagie, which, you know, has the Italian, right, inspired. This is the Italian inspired hoagie. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to add some tomatoes. The tomatoes we chopped up. And I'm going to add some cucumber. So that's going to be yum. It's going to be good. Hubby and I are watching The Shy on Showtime and Young, Famous, and African on Netflix. We're going to talk about it. Yes.